First of all, congratulations on your fastest time ever, I think, over 1500.
Thanks a lot, yeah, I appreciate it.
Just 4 weeks to go before the World Championships. How much of a difference does this make now to your confidence?
I think it helps my confidence a lot, and I think still I have a lot of time to train well, and running this fast at this point, I think I feel great, and I think I'm very happy, to run that fast at this point, yeah.
Were you surprised that you ran a personal best here today?
No, really, I was trying to run even faster than that, but the weather was hot, and the second lap of the pacemakers, the second lap was very slow, and I think that was a little problem, but I felt so good and feel fresh even when I finished the race. And
yeah, the pacemakers make a lot of difference in a race. As you say, 3:31, you are less than 2 seconds outside the world record. Do you think with a really good pacemaker you could have even got perhaps around 3:30?
I think I could go somewhere close to world record at least.
What did today tell you about your own possibilities? What do you think now is the sort of time that you can run?
I think I'm going to run much better than the time I ran today. Yeah, sometime soon. I don't know when, but sometime soon, yeah.
Well, how do you feel about the fact that after today, the pressure is also going to be on the other runners around you, because now you are going to be one of the top men, the favourites in the World Championships. Does it take the pressure off you now that they've got something to think about?
Maybe it will take some pressure on myself and put somebody else, So.
Tell us a little something about your training.
Fighting as he battles down the finishing straight. Awita's world record on the left. He won't make it, but it's going to be a fast time. Bile wins. Keep an eye on the clock. A great race. And Bile comes home in 3:31.72. He's missed the world record, but he's carved 2.5 seconds off his personal best. A fabulous race by the Somali. Bile.